The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. There is some water in the grass, but the bird cannot drink it. The water is at the bottom of the grass. The bird has short beak. It is very tired and very hot. It cannot drink the water. Where is the bird now? It is beside some stones. It is picking up the stones. The stone. There is a stone in the bird's beak. What is it doing? It is carrying one of the stones. It is taking up the. It is taking the stones to the grass. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. The stone is in the bottom of the grass. The bird cannot drink the water. What is it doing? The bird is beside some stones. It is picking up one of another stones. The stone is in the bird's beak. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. Another stone is in the grass. There are two stones in the water. The water is going up. The bird is working hard. It is picking up the stones. It is carrying it to the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is it doing? The bird is working hard. It is picking up another stone. It is carrying it to the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? There are no water and no. Look at the water. Look at the water. It is going up. It is going up the. It is going up the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is the water doing? How many stones are there in the grass now? There are 6 stones in the grass. Look at the water. It is at the top of the grass. Now the bird can drink the water. The bird is not tired now. The bird is not hot. Bye bye.